Hello everyone, my name is Pavel Minho and I am product manager at Alliance Laundry Systems. And today I am excited to tell you more about the crucial part of our product development, field testing. Let's start with the basics. Why is field testing so important? While the lab testing is critical during the development phase, the real world is the ultimate test. The main goal of field testing is to prove our new tumblers are truly reliable and efficient in a busy real-world laundries. It's our final and most important quality check before launch. We are always very strategic in selecting appropriate partners. Field testing of tumble dryers involves 24 machines in 20 different locations in 7 European countries. Some of them are located really nearby, like for example this one, for direct engineering access. To get a complete picture, we are using a two-way approach. First, we are able to collect all the data in real time directly from the machine control unit via our new cloud management system. Second, and just as important, we gather direct, honest feedback from the site owners who use the machines every single day. And what happens with all these data? For us, and mainly our engineering teams, are critical because it allows them to work continuously on all improvements and adjustments needed from the field. So, during the launch, we are sure that we are delivering a perfectly fine-tuned product. Completed field test is the final green light and confirmations that the product can meet the highest Alliance standards.